Hi guys, this morning I wanted to talk to you about our amazing compensation plan because I want you to know how you can get your products paid for, how you can earn a part-time income, or how you can go all the way with this company. And so Plexus, first of all, there's a disclaimer that I need to share, and that is that we do not guarantee income. Everything depends on your network, your work ethic, and your skill level. So, but we do, I believe everybody can be successful with Plexus at whatever level they would like to be. So the first thing I want to talk about is PV. And when I'm talking commissions, and if you're mathematical and it's all about the numbers, then you're going to do your calculations based on personal volume, which is PV. And that number is in the online and when you're shopping, that number is listed before every product. So you can figure out what they are. But basically the triplex is 100 PV. And so if I say dollars, I really mean PV as far as what goes through your website in sales volume. It's the PV is what counts for what you get paid commission on. Okay, so the first way that you can get paid through Plexus is with commissions. And it works like this. So when you join for $34.95, you got all kinds of stuff, but your website. And that website is where you send customers. So the first 100 PV through that website goes back to headquarters. That's going to pay for the ongoing maintenance of our customer service department, our research and development, things like shipping and receiving, headquarters, marketing, online marketing stuff, all that stuff. We keep investing in our company, and so that first 100 goes back to invest in the company. Then you get paid commissions on anything over that 100. So if you sell anything between $101 and $499, you get paid 15% commission on that. So the first 100 goes to headquarters. If you sold $499, that's almost $500. You would earn commission on $400 worth, which is it's a 15% commission, so you would get about $60, but that's not all, and that's not the best. If you hit over 500 in commissions, or 500 in PV through your website, then you get paid 25% on your commission on that. So if you sell $499, you're going to get $60 in commissions. If you sell 500, you're going to get $100 in commissions. So it's always worth it to get 500 PV every month. Okay, not only that, and also the sales through your website is things that you buy, things that you might order for your friends and do like a cash and carry, and also if you send your friend to your website to sign up. So all of those count for your commissions. That's anything that goes through your website. So if you're just starting out and you can't afford the products, if you can go in with your friends and get 100 PV, then you'll be commission qualified. Okay, so the next thing, preferred customer bonus. So the cool thing about Plexus and the pricing structure and the compensation plan structure is that they have designed it in such a way that what's best for your customer is what's best for you in just everything. It's very cool. So it is always better for your customer to order as a preferred customer, which is an auto ship every month, because number one, they're going to get their products. They're going to be much more consistent in taking their products if it's coming every month. They also get a discount for ordering preferred customers. So they're getting cheaper products, and you get a preferred customer bonus every month they order. So if your friend orders ProBio 5 every month, you'll get a $5 preferred customer bonus every month on the ProBio 5 that they order. So you're getting commissions, which is hopefully 25% of what the sales are, and then you get a preferred customer bonus every month. But that's not all. When you sign up a friend under you, if you can rank to silver, which is signing 3 people personally under you that are active, that are doing the business, you will get a one-time bonus of $100. When you reach the rank of gold, which is 20 people under you that are active, you'll get a $250 one-time bonus, and that's paid out the next month with your commissions paycheck. If you are on fire and want to do this, and it's your you're jumping in, it's your beginning. If you go fast start gold, which is you hit gold in 30 days, they will double all those bonuses. So it's totally worth your while if you're in this for the business. So you would get a $100 silver bonus and a $250 gold bonus, and that would be doubled. That's $700 in bonuses your first month if you can get 20 people active under you. So that is a super great thing for those who are really business minded. All right, let me think. Okay, so once you hit silver, then you get paid on points, which is our profit sharing. So once you hit silver, you have 15 points under you. So each person under you is worth 5 points on your first 3 levels, and then it gets lower after that. But in the first 3 levels, you get 5 points per person. So if you had 20 people under you, you hit gold, you would have 100 points. So the way it's set up mathematically, that our points are worth between $1.80 and $4 every month. So if you had, and it's generally, it runs, and it has been consistently this way since I've started, about $3 a person. So, or $3 a point, sorry. So if you had 100 points under you, that would be $300 every month if they're active and they're doing the, if they're ordering their products and they've got 100 PV through their website, you would get $3 for every point under you. That's our profit sharing, and it's pretty sweet. Okay, then there's more. There's still more. The welcome pack. So when you have someone who signs up under you, the best deal for them is to buy the welcome pack because it's the cheapest you're ever going to get your products. It's cheap. And when they order a welcome pack, they're either going to be $100 or $200. So you get paid on Friday for welcome packs. So, and you get it's 25%. So if they order a $100 welcome pack, you'll get a $25 paycheck on Friday. And once you build an organization, when the people under you have people that sign and they order welcome packs, you get a cut of that welcome pack also. So we get paid 5 paychecks a month. We get welcome pack paychecks every Friday, and we get the commissions and bonuses and points payment on the 15th of the following month. So it's a pretty good deal. All right, jewels. So once you hit the rank of emerald, sapphire, and diamond, they are considered executives. They're jewels. And once you hit that, you get put into a huge profit sharing pool, and the income goes up to 6 figures, and a good 6 figures, hefty money. That is if you're really motivated, you are really working this business like a business, and you are successfully leading and successfully selling. And I mean, it's the whole package, but if you are capable of doing that, you get a trip to Hawaii every year, you get a Plexus Lexus, and you get a 6-figure income. And then that's not all. It's crazy. There's also a whole bunches of ways to earn trips and stuff like that. If travel is your thing, or money is your thing, there's tons and tons of ways to earn and learn, and it's cool. The last thing is the Diamond Reentry Program, and this is something that's unique to Plexus. Once you hit the rank of Diamond, you can enter under yourself, and you can be your own rock star. So you're getting paid, like if you're really good at this, you're getting paid on what you do, and then you're getting paid on what you do under, like you're under yourself. And so you're getting twice the bonuses, twice the commissions, twice the everything. So, and we have 2 double diamonds in the company, and I did want to say this. So Celeste Gwynn was our first double diamond, and she was sponsored in the company by Jen Hawkins. So this is what makes Plexus not a pyramid scheme, and that is you can rank up above the person who brought you in. So you have to do the work if you want to make the money, and you have to do the work if you want to grow in leadership. And so actually Celeste passed Jen Hawkins and hit double diamond before Jen did. But then she did hit it, so it's pretty cool. Anyway, that is all I have, I think, today. But that's our compensation plan and the awesome ways that you can get paid with Plexus and have fun and help your friends be healthy. Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you later.